Okay, so
Quick paper airplane tutorial. Yeah. First, fold it the hot dog way.
Yes, he likes hot dogs, so I'm kind of scared.
I actually really like hot dogs. I used to love cheeseburgers and mac and cheese, and you know. Do you still fold it the hot dog way? Wait, bro, you are not giving them time.
So yeah.
They're gonna have to pause for like. They're gonna pause, they're gonna have to do it in less than a millisecond. Oh, just chill. Okay. Ow. Wait, fine. My pencil boxes are gonna get knocked down.
Okay. Okay, I don't know what he just did, but he did.
I just moved the computer a bit.
Also, comment what you want us to draw in Posco markers, and we'll make that video.
And just like all the other videos. Yeah. Duh. Alright, now what? Now you wanna unfold the hot dog like this.
And you want to take the top corner and fold it in.
Wait, the left?
No, you need to do both, but yeah.
Alright, so guys, just fold
both.
both of the top corners onto like this. Should there be a little gap in between them, like in the middle?
Yeah, maybe just like the tiniest bit.
Yeah, but like, okay. So it should look like this now.
Ta-da!
Trust me, this fold is gonna come in handy later, right? Okay.
It makes it pointy.
Alright, let's go faster because
So-
we're almost at 2 minutes.
So what you want to do next is just simply fold this down. Like, leave a little gap, but in like enough
Like what?
room.
Like this?
So like
This? You want to fold it
No,
back?
no.
Like,
Fold it downwards, so like around it. Should look something around like this.
oh yeah, by the way, these videos took a ton of tries, which took up
Yeah.
almost an hour by now.
Yeah.
So please give us a subscribe. Oh yeah, it was about 50 subscribers. Now we're subscribers.
46. Or something like
4 more subscribers. In our 50th subscriber gets
nothing.
shout out. Gets a shout out.
50 subscriber equals shout out. So guys,
To everybody that subscribed. That's gonna take quite a long time though. Whatever. Why is my feet
it will
like
be,
that?
it will be halfway to 100. Yay!
Oh yeah, at 100 videos we get very special subscribe.
You're having a lot of trouble.
We're gonna do a 24-hour live stream.
No, we're
You'll
not.
see what it's like in the daily life. So we'll just keep this computer on. Oh yeah. Yeah, we might be at school though. Hey, maybe we'll do a 3-day live stream.
Okay, so yeah, it should look something around like that. Now you want to do the same step from step 2, but again. So you want to just you just want to fold this part down and do it for both sides.
Huh?
So you want to take this part right here, right? Fold it into the middle
Okay.
and do it again on the other side.
So like this? Like this?
Yes.
So we're gonna leave the corner part of the triangle because x plus y equals.
Stop. We
I
don't
don't
know.
know. I'm in
We're
5th
very
grade.
young.
I mean, he's in 5th grade, not me. I'm in 3rd. I'm in 3rd.
That's like, no. Bro,
I'm not in 5th.
Most of my head is
I mean, yeah, just that's not. That's nothing. Ready to play some Geometry Dash.
He's too upset.
You also love Geometry Dash, especially Hexagon Hyperdrive. When you used to flash on me of Hexagon Hyperdrive, but it doesn't seem like you have all the icons in the game.
You use a cheat.
I used a mod. You mean.
Mod.
And it doesn't seem like you have rainbow icons either.
Yeah, you.
Yeah,
Let
you
me just
can.
do it to you. You just wait to go. What the? Okay, so what you want us to do next is you take this little bottom part triangle, right, and fold it on top. So
Oh, I told you the paper shredder.
after that, it should look like this. You see that right there? Yeah, do what I say, okay? Okay, let me do it for you.
Alright, do that stuff and then I'll put this. Yeah.
So, what you want to do next is you take this, fold it inside out. So yeah, it's a very easy step.
Just fold it in half.
So you want to fold it like that.
Yeah, that's lifting up my stack.
It's what he's been working on. Yours is just very poor quality, so I'm gonna use mine. Okay, so what you want to do after this, just make simple wings. And here's how.
Just fold it in half again, like that, but like backwards, but like.
So like you take.
Yo, we're done? We're done?
No.
Record time? Record time?
So you take this.
Do we do both? Do we do both? Both? Do both?
You do both.
And we're almost done, right? We're done? Oh, sorry, but very poor quality. Especially that tip. Look at that tip.
Do you want me to help you fix the tip?
Yeah.
So if your tip looks horrible, kind of like this.
Can I test your knife? I'm gonna test.
So you want to take it, and you kind of just want to like fold it inside. So it should kind of look like that. Boom. Boom. Now let's test out minds versus ease. So you see this, right?
Look, okay.
Okay, not bad. Whoosh. Now, time for mine. I have no thinking.
Yours sucks.
Wait. Okay, done.
And that's how to make a paper airplane. Bye. Like
You
and
can
subscribe.
also just lift these up a little, just for a little bit extra weight. Mine is like wood. Yeah, mine is wood. Yeah, if you get a good one, it'll actually work good. So that's the video for today. Comment what you want to see us do next.
Subscribe, like,